Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here and this video I am making for my lovely CMA Foundation students or the students who want to join CMA Foundation. Bhai, this video is for all the CMA Foundation students who are having their exams on 5th of September. So wait and watch the video till very last. And also those students who are wanting to join CMA and appear in CMA Foundation December 21 exam. First of all, let me tell you, for those students who want to appear in CMA December 21 exam, you can still register. If you haven't registered, last date of registration is 31st of August, which means if by 31st of August you register yourself in this beautiful course, then you will be eligible to appear your foundation exams in upcoming December 21 term. And yes, trust me, you will be having August, September, October, November, August, September, October, August को हटा दो, September, October, November and December, because December end में exams है. September, October, November, December. 4 months. 3 months are enough for your preparation and you are getting 4 months. And yes, you can enroll with us at www.meplclasses.com for the new foundation batches. Okay. For December 21, we'll be providing you few live online classes and few recorded classes which we have covered already. So that appropriate blend is there and you can cover your syllabus ASAP, as soon as possible. Now coming to 5th of September exam. So those students who are going to appear in the 5th of September exams, we have already done plenty of revisions. Approximately 20 to 30 revision sessions or perhaps more than 30 revision sessions were conducted by entire MEPL faculties, including me myself, CS Divya Agarwal ma'am, CSEFA Gaurav Kabra sir, Sanjeev Pandey sir, MB MSc Sandeep Pandey sir. All the 4 faculties of MEPL have given their best, and it was just that the exams got postponed, and that is why the exams of June term were not held in June, July, and they are being held in 5th of September. But we have already covered revision sessions and the playlist is already made. So the students have given wonderful feedback, and those who have not yet seen the playlist, please go and watch the playlist. Okay. All the CMA Foundation videos are covered therein, including law, accounts, management, costing, maths, stats, all are there. Okay. Okay, sir. And ICMAI has announced a very important exams, mock exams for the CMA Foundation students. These mock exams are totally replica of the main exams that are going to start from 5th of September. 5th of September को एक ही दिन your exams will be there, but the mock exams, you can appear for the mock exams, model exams from 25th of August to 29th August. I urge you with folded hands, do not miss this exam. Why? Because you will be getting totally an atmosphere and environment of the same exams that are going to be conducted on 5th September, same environment, same atmosphere you are going to get. So make sure that you are appearing for this mock exams. Okay, the detailed notification I am attaching in the description box. You can just read the notification, because you have to download the SAP tool. Okay, and your webcam, microphone, everything should be perfect. So I don't want my students to panic on 5th of September. So that is why I am asking you to give the mock exams, not to get acquainted with the type of questions that you have already practiced, but to get acquainted with the online exam atmosphere. So do not miss this. Okay, this ICMAI is going to conduct, and this is a detailed notification, and I am attaching the description. I am attaching the link of the notification in the description box. Okay, chalo फटाफट 5th of September को exam दे दो, and then we'll be starting with CMA Inter Journey. All subjects will be taught at MEPL only. तभी तो इतना सारा ranks जो आप देख रहे हो वो आता है. चलो, all the best for your exams and see you forward in the CMA Inter. Take care. Love you guys.